Rita is drawing a comic book. If she completed a 32-page book in 4 days, what is the unit rate of the number of pages she drew per day? So we want pages per day. So pages is first and day is second. So we can either do equivalent fractions or we could do a ratio table. We know that 32 pages in 4 days can be simplified. The little number goes into the big, so that we're going to divide each of those. Divide by 4 and divide by 4, top and bottom. So it's going to give us 8 over 1. So 8 pages to 1 day. 2 groups or 2 days would be 16 pages. 3 days would be 24, and 4 days would be 32. So we have 32 to 4, so that is correct. 8 is your answer. We also have 8 to 1, so D is also your answer.